woman here, when you identify a gift in your wife, promote it. Don't kill it. Don't be intimidated. Don't be ashamed and afraid that your wife wants to come out. The first thing that comes to your head is that other men will be admiring her. Don't you know you are as a man? It's myopic. Don't let the talent in that woman die. God will hold you responsible. When a woman begins to regret and she begins to cast reflection on all she was doing as a single lady, that you have now killed her gift. Being housewife is not honorable. Being a housewife is not honorable. Are you a house husband? Invest in her. Sir, invest in your wife. Give her something to do. God depends on her because she has confidence in God, she has confidence in herself, and she has confidence in her strategy. Look at the strategy that Deborah gave to Barak. He said, I will go. He said, but listen to me. You are going to be in front. We need to plan. We need to strategize. A woman should be a deep thinker. Think. Your husband tells you anything, go back, think. Lord, give me wisdom on this. Give me wisdom on how to respond. Give me wisdom on the answer to give this man. Be a deep thinker, strategy. And I've said this over the years, that strategy is stronger than energy. Strategy is stronger than energy. A woman should be strategic. Do you know, no matter how sweet and delicious a meal is, there is a way you serve it and the man loses appetite.